Welcome to this meditation focused on the Heart Chakra, or Anahata Chakra. The Heart Chakra is located in the center of your chest and governs love, compassion, and emotional balance. Today we will work with breath, sound, and hand gestures, mudras, to activate and harmonize this energy center, helping you feel more open-hearted, connected, and at peace. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either cross-legged on the floor or sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Take a moment to feel the air flowing in and out of your lungs. As you breathe, allow your chest to gently rise and fall, opening your heart to receive love and healing. Inhale deeply, welcoming peace, and exhale, releasing any emotional tension. Take a few more breaths like this, each inhale inviting love and compassion into your being, and each exhale letting go of fear, stress, or anxiety. Now, bring your attention to the center of your chest, the location of the Heart Chakra. Visualize a soft green light glowing here. With every inhale, feel this light expand, and with each exhale, feel it radiating love and compassion throughout your entire body. Let's now practice a rhythmic breathing pattern to enhance this feeling of openness and love. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. Continue this pattern, feeling the energy of love and healing growing stronger with each breath. To further awaken the energy of the Heart Chakra, we will chant the seed mantra, Yam. This sound resonates with the Anahata Chakra and promotes love, compassion, and forgiveness. On your next inhale, chant the mantra Yam as you exhale.
Yam.
Let the sound vibrate in your chest, bringing warmth and openness to your heart center. Repeat this with me 3 times, or as many times as you feel comfortable. Begin. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale.
Yam.
Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Yam.
Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Yam.
Hold. Great job. Now let's bring our attention to the hands. We will begin with the Padma Mudra, or Lotus Mudra, which symbolizes purity and the blossoming of the heart. To do this, bring your hands together in front of your heart, keeping the base of your palms, thumbs, and pinkies touching, while your other fingers fan out like a blossoming lotus flower. As you hold this mudra, focus on your heart center. Imagine a beautiful lotus flower blooming within your chest, spreading love, peace, and compassion with each breath. Breathe deeply here, allowing this image of the lotus to open your heart wider with each breath. Let's try this. 2 rounds. Begin. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Yam.
Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Yam.
Hold. Now let's move into the Anjali Mudra, the gesture of gratitude and reverence. Bring your palms together in front of your heart, pressing your thumbs gently into your chest. This mudra symbolizes unity, balance, and deep connection. As you hold this mudra, imagine yourself as a beacon of love and compassion. With every inhale, feel your heart opening wider, and with each exhale, send love out into the world. Let's try this. 3 rounds begin. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. As we prepare to close this meditation, take a moment to appreciate the love and kindness flowing through you. Know that you are always connected to the energy of your heart, and whenever you need to nurture yourself or others, this energy is available to you. You are now ready to explore intermediate heart chakra meditations to deepen this connection further. When you are ready, slowly release the mudra and bring your hands back to your lap. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this heart chakra meditation. May you leave this space feeling more open-hearted, balanced, and filled with compassion.